A woman wants to feel like she won you over. If she's investing and putting effort, she will backwards rationalize that she must really like you. If it's too easy because you unconditionally surrendered your love to her, she's going to lose interest. The process of falling in love can be triggered in a woman when you are making her jump through hoops. Once you are able to do this, you'll change her opinion of you, such that she now sees you as someone she can get romantic or sexual with. And then when you're away from each other and she starts thinking about you, that's when falling in love happens. To take a deeper dive on this topic of making a girl catch feelings for you, go to championsofmen.com/getthegirl. Once you go to the link, the video will talk about a powerful technique called the Scrambler, which is a bit of a mind game. And what the Scrambler teaches is basically how to lay out hoops for her to jump through. Once you get how to do this, then you'll know how to use the Scrambler to sleep with a hard-to-get female friend. And again, to find out how, go to championsofmen.com/getthegirl.